all, it's Brand Coach Angel here, and welcome back to the Brand Coach Angel YouTube channel. Today, I wanted to do a quick video to encourage all of my entrepreneurs and emerging newbie entrepreneurs out there to give you some words of encouragement, some advice to keep going. Now, I will tell you this. Entrepreneurship is an amazing experience. When you step into entrepreneurship, you now take ownership of your life, your work, your impact, and the trajectory you are creating for your family and for those who are coming up behind you. So it's a beautiful, amazing experience, but at the same time, it's super hard, right? It's scary to put yourself out there and to bet on yourself and to take so much ownership of your life. It's so much easier oftentimes to outsource our decisions to other people, to bosses, to our family members. It's so much easier sometimes to let other people make decisions for us and just sit in the passenger seat. And so when you make that decision to step into entrepreneurship and to be in the driver's seat, it's rewarding, but it's challenging. And we're not going to even talk about the thoughts you're battling in your mind. Can I do this? Am I good enough? Do people really want what it is that I have to offer? Can this really be an enterprise that I could use to support my family for generations? Can this really be something that can support me if I were to leave my job? Oh my gosh, what is it that I'm really getting myself into? Can I secure myself? Can I be independent in that way? It's scary. You're facing all of these thoughts that you never even knew were going to come up for you, right? A lot of traumas come in when you are stepping into entrepreneurship. So I understand that, and I coach people to work through that process. And so the words of encouragement that I want to give to you is this: keep going. If you are an emerging entrepreneur, someone who's considering this path, if you feel called to this, step into it. One of the most valuable gifts that an entrepreneur has is time. You have time, giving yourself time to figure things out, giving yourself time to make mistakes. That is the most beautiful gift you can give yourself, and it's not guaranteed. We don't know how much we're going to have of it. But when we give ourselves time, when we refuse to keep wasting our time dreaming about taking this step, wasting our time wishing, hoping, but putting into intentional action what it is that we want to see, we have a better chance of being successful. And even if we don't reach the finish line that we're aiming for, we can have pride in knowing that we took that step, because it's really not about the finish line, it's about the journey. Okay, so I want to tell you, if you are someone who's in entrepreneurship right now and you're thinking about quitting, you're thinking about, should I even get started? Do it. Keep going. Keep moving forward. Every single day, keep working on this. It will happen. You will get there. You will make the impact that it is that you're trying to make, but only if you can keep going. That's what separates those who are able to do this and those who are not. The people who have the courage, the fortitude, and just the grit and stubbornness somewhat to just keep pushing every day. Some days are not going to be good. Some days are not going to feel good. Some days will feel amazing. Either way, keep going. You only fail if you quit. So that was just on my spirit today to share with you. I hope that touched you. I hope that helped you. If you're someone who is struggling in entrepreneurship, just know that my energy is with you, and I want to tell you that you can do it. You are called to do something great. So if you are interested in getting support in your business, interested in having some help as you navigate this journey, definitely reach out to me. I have a link in my description box where you can fill out a little bit of information about yourself, and I'll reach back out to you so we can set up some time to talk. And I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I want to wish you luck and wish you well in this process, in this crazy entrepreneurship process. And thanks for watching. I will see you soon. Peace out.